Hey everyone, this is Rosemarie from the Unfinished Lesson. Today we're looking at Google Drive, how to create folders and adding documents to them. When you open your Drive, it's actually quite easy to make a folder. You look at the bottom right-hand corner where there's a blue dot with a plus sign and you select it. Once you've selected it, you're going to notice that you have a few options. Select folder. And here you can name the the folder, whatever you'd like. In this case, I'm going to name it Smith Family. I have folders for each of the families within my studio. Hit create or go or done. And once you're done that, then you're going to select the Smith family. You'll notice there's no files in the folder, and that's actually pretty easy to create. We're once again going to look at our bottom right-hand corner with that plus sign, and this time we're going to select Upload. Once we've selected Upload, it's going to give us a few options. In this case, I'm hitting Browse, and then I can choose documents from a few different areas. I've saved some documents on my iPad, and so I select that, go into Pages, and here I've got a photo and video release form, which gets uploaded, and then I'm going to press that plus button again, Upload, and I'm going to add the contract for the Smith family. Here I've got their registration documents ready to go. If I wanted, I could press that plus button and create a folder that's specifically for the registration documents. But it's really up to you how you want to organize it. Once you've added all the documents that you'd like, we're going to hit the back button right beside Smith Family and select the three small dots on the folder and select Link Sharing. This ensures that clients can actually access the folder. Even though the link should be copied, I like to go and press those three gray little dots and hit Copy Link so that I can add it to whatever email I'm going to send to the client. This ensures that they have easy access. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want more ideas, visit www.theunfinishedlesson.com. Have a great week.